Welcome to Deck Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Do you want to create a faceless YouTube channel and make money from it? Then this video is for you. We'll show you how to make money in the animal niche in today's video. We'll explain how you come up with video ideas, show you examples of channels in this niche, reveal how much some of these channels make, and finally explain how you can monetize these channels with affiliate marketing. So it's all about making money on YouTube without showing your face. If you're watching videos on our channel for the first time, you already know how to make money on YouTube. But if you're new to this channel, let me explain how to make money on YouTube. YouTube can be used in two ways. The first is for entertainment, while the second is for profit. But how does one make money from YouTube? You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Making money on YouTube is accomplished by uploading content for others to view. And when they do, you are compensated. You are not paid for views, but you are compensated for advertisements that appear on your videos. When these people view your content, they will notice ads in the video, and the length of time they watch it determines how much money you will receive. I'm sure you've now figured out how people make money on YouTube. Some people may want to make money by creating content on YouTube. They do not want to show their faces or are not confident in how they look or speak. If you are one of those people, our channel will teach you about the various types of content you can create on YouTube without showing your face or using your voice. To do so, you must first choose a niche in which to specialize. So in today's video, we'll show you how to make videos in the animal niche. So what exactly is the animal niche and what does it entail? If you like pets and similar things, you'll fall in love with this niche. It does not have to be only pets. If you enjoy any animal, even wild animals, this niche is for you. Just from the name, you can get a general idea of what this niche entails. Essentially, what we do in the animal niche is create videos for either entertainment or educational purposes. The good thing about videos like this is that you can monetize them using other methods such as affiliate marketing, which I will discuss later in the video. You can also combine the animal niche with other niches such as the top 10 and top 5 niches. Here you will be able to discuss a variety of related animals and classify them from one to the last. For example, maybe you've seen a video about the top 10 most dangerous snakes. This is an example video from the animal niche combined with the top 10. You may wonder where the people who make these videos get their information. So once you've decided on a title, please research it and search for videos that will show what you're saying in the script. Ads will be placed on your video after you upload it, and you will be able to earn money based on how long your video is, how many ads you put on it, and how many views you receive. The animals niche has a good CPM compared to other niches, and you can also monetize it with affiliate marketing. So the number of views doesn't matter all that much. What matters most on YouTube is the niche you choose and the length of your videos. You can see some YouTubers with millions of views, but the average CPM in their niche is around $2. Now that you understand how to make money on YouTube and what the animals niche entails, let me show you some example channels in this niche so you can see what type of videos they produce and how much money successful channels in this niche make. The first channel I'd like to share with you is called Animal Wised. This channel was founded on October 24th, 2016, and as of the publication of this video, it has over 516,000 subscribers. What I like best about this channel is how they make their videos. Most of their popular videos are educational, which is why they get many views. This channel has videos like Why Dogs Get Stuck After Mating Breeding Explanation. This video has over 6,400,000 views despite being uploaded only 3 years ago. Another video example is Why Does My Cat Sleep With Me? This video has over 5 million views and was uploaded 4 years ago. The titles of the two videos alone indicate that they are intended for educational purposes. So how many views does this channel receive in a month, and how much money does it make? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received over 1,500,000 views in the previous 30 days, resulting in earnings ranging from $382 to $6,100 that month. However, we know this is incorrect. Longtime viewers of this channel know that Social Blade uses an estimated CPM range of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Our research indicates that channels in the animals niche have a CPM of $5 to $12 per 1,000 monetized playback. This indicates that Animal Wised may be earning between $8,185 and $19,644 per month before YouTube takes their 45% cut. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. The next channel I'd like to show you is Forever Green. This channel was founded on August 7th, 2015, and as of the time this video is being published, it has nearly 3 million subscribers. What I like about this channel, which makes it stand out, is how they create their videos. You'll notice that they are making videos about both pets and wild animals, and they are also making videos in the top 10 niche, which is working quite well for them. One of the most popular videos on this channel is titled 10 Most Powerful Dogs in the World. This video was uploaded 2 years ago and has received over 24 million views. Another video on their YouTube channel is titled 30 Largest Animals Ever Captured. This video has received 10 million views since it was posted a year ago. As you can see, people are very interested in learning about unusual things in the animal world, so you can be confident that your videos will do very well. So how many views does this channel get in a month, and how much money does it make? According to Social Blade's statistics, this channel has received over 13 million views in the last 30 days, which has helped them earn anywhere between $3,400 and $54,000. Despite how nice this number sounds, we're aware that it's still incorrect. With an estimated CPM range of $5 to $12, it's likely that Forever Green is earning between $65,000 and $156,000 per month. Can you imagine earning more than $65,000 per month solely from advertising revenue? Isn't that impressive? Now that you have a good idea of how animal niche channels look and how much money they make, let me explain how you can get title ideas and make videos similar to what you've seen these channels make. Many people believe it is challenging to create such videos. There is no need for costly equipment, and I will demonstrate how to do it for free. This method has the advantage of allowing you to get started for free. When your channel generates revenue, you can reinvest it and expand by establishing channels in different niches, which is how you can run a slew of other channels. So without further ado, please allow me to walk you through the process of making these incredibly simple videos. How would I start a channel in the animal niche? I would ensure I had at least 50 video title ideas before making the videos. The advantage of having over 50 different video title ideas is that you won't have to stop uploading videos to your channel due to a lack of video title ideas. So where are you going to get your title ideas? If I were in your situation, I would go to some of the popular animal channels and write down the titles of their most popular videos. When you write down 10 titles from 5 different YouTube channels, you'll have 50 more titles to create videos for and upload to your channel. Following the title selection, you must conduct research and write a script. If you have more time than money, write your script. If you cannot write an excellent script and have more money than time, you can hire an UpWork.com freelancer to write the entire script. The structure of a script must be established first. While some freelancers will write a full script for you, it will not be a blank canvas if you can provide the design. Starting with a blank canvas can be difficult, especially if you do it yourself. You'll need to do a lot of research on the subject, including watching many videos and taking notes. Your script will look amazing. We're following successful channels leads because they're successful. Modeling success does not necessitate exact replication or using the same framework. If you have the structure written down, it will be easier to write the script. I recommend running a script through Copyscape after writing it to ensure that it is unique and free of copyright violations. The next step after writing the script is to record the voiceover. If you need more time to finish the voiceover to your satisfaction, you can always outsource it to someone who can do it professionally through UpWork.com. On this platform, numerous people can do voiceovers for you, so I would look for the most affordable one. Again, this presumes that you have more money than time. If you have more time than money, do your voiceovers. This is exactly what most YouTubers do when they first launch their channel. If you want to record it yourself, you'll need a microphone. Use your phone if you don't want to spend money on a good microphone. Most people watching this video, I'm sure, have a smartphone, and recording voiceovers is as easy as using your phone's built-in voice recording program. If neither of these options suits you, you may be considering trying a text-to-speech or TTS solution. Many low-quality TTS programs exist, but they won't help you get monetized on YouTube. You'll need a sophisticated, natural-sounding TTS solution like Descript, the most human-like TTS program on the market. Try Descript for free using my link in the description. So now that I've walked you through the process of making videos in the animals niche, let's move on to monetization, which is an important part of making money on YouTube. You can begin running advertisements when your channel has 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. To include many ad breaks, I recommend making your videos at least 8 minutes long. I recommend including an ad every 2 minutes after you monetize your video, one at the beginning and one at the end. You can make a lot of money from ad revenue, but let's talk about other monetization options that could help you make more than just ad revenue. Because YouTube AdSense is only one of the money sources we've looked at, I mentioned that these channels can earn more. They now have an additional source of income. Another way for me to monetize the videos I promote is through affiliate marketing. Since it is so simple, this is the most popular monetization method. As a result, you are a middleman who connects a buyer to a program or a product in exchange for a commission. Assume you go to an affiliate marketplace such as clickbank.com. There are thousands of different items to sell in that case. The fantastic thing about running a channel in the animal niche, especially if you focus on a single animal, such as just dogs or cats, is that you can quickly sell affiliate products from the back end of your channel. Let me demonstrate what I mean. If we go to a marketplace called clickbank.com and select the option Home and Garden, then Animal Care and Pets, these are all digital products you could promote related to different pets. When you found a product you'd like to promote, include a link to it in the description and pin it in the comment section of each video you upload. All you have to do is notify your viewers of the links you shared in that video. It's critical to understand that if an affiliate product is related to the content they were looking at, the likelihood of them purchasing it skyrockets. As a result, choosing a product related to the video you're making is essential for earning a second income. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What are your thoughts on the animal niche? Do you want to give it a shot and make videos in this niche? Comment down below, let's engage. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Now you have an idea of how to make money on YouTube in the animals niche, but that won't help you if you're really interested in discovering which niches are the most profitable on YouTube. Click the video on your screen if you want to know the 7 most profitable niches on YouTube in 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.